Board. Board. A flat surface where teachers write using chalk or markers. What is the teacher writing on the board?
She is writing today's lesson.
Desk. Desk. A piece of furniture with a flat top used for writing or working. Where do you sit in class?
I sit at the desk by the window.
Chair. Chair. A piece of furniture for sitting. Can I sit in this chair?
Yes, it's next to my desk.
Pencil. Pencil. A tool for writing or drawing with a thin stick of graphite. Do you have a pencil?
Yes, you can borrow mine.
Pen. Pen. A tool for writing with ink. Can I use your pen?
Sure, here it is.
Notebook. Notebook. A book with blank pages for writing notes. Where do you write your notes?
I write them in my notebook.
Eraser. Eraser. A small object used to remove pencil marks. I made a mistake. Do you have an eraser?
Yes, here you go.
Ruler. Ruler. A tool used to measure length or draw straight lines. How long is this line?
Let's measure it with a ruler.
Chalk. Chalk. A soft white substance used for writing on a board. What does the teacher use to write on the board?
She uses chalk.
Marker. Marker. A pen with a thick tip used for writing on boards or paper. Can I use the marker to write on the whiteboard?
Yes, it's over there.
Book. Book. A set of written, printed, or blank pages fastened together. What book are you reading?
It's a book about science.
Globe. Globe. A spherical model of Earth. Can you find Africa on the globe?
Yes, it's right here.
Map. Map. A visual representation of an area. Do you have a map of the school?
Yes, it's on the wall.
Scissors. Scissors. A tool used for cutting paper, cloth, etc. I need to cut this paper. Do you have scissors?
Yes, here they are.
Glue. Glue. A sticky substance used for sticking things together. Can you pass the glue?
Sure, here it is.
Crayon. Crayon. A stick of colored wax used for drawing or coloring. What color crayon do you need?
I need the red crayon.
Paper. Paper. Material made from wood pulp used for writing or printing. Do you have a piece of paper?
Yes, you can take one from my notebook.
Folder. Folder. A cover for holding loose papers together. Where do you keep your assignments?
In this folder.
Clock. Clock. A device used to tell time. What time is it?
It's 3 p.m., according to the clock.
Computer. Computer. An electronic device for storing and processing data. Are you using the computer for research?
Yes, I'm looking up some information.
Projector. Projector. A device that projects images or videos onto a surface. Is the projector ready for the presentation?
Yes, it is set up.
Backpack. Backpack. A bag carried on the back to hold books and supplies. Where is your homework?
It's in my backpack.
Stapler. Stapler. A device used to fasten papers together with staples. Can you staple these papers together?
Sure, hand them to me.